Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Kim. Today we're going to be learning the sound of this letter. Do you know what sound this letter makes? It says Two words that start with the f sound are fish and frog. Fish and frog. Do you hear the f in fish and frog? Now, let's use our bodies to help us remember the f sound. We're going to pretend that we are a fish, and we're going to swim like a fish does, and we're going to go and you can go up, you can go down, but you're going to make your fish swim, and remember to say the f sound as you're swimming. Are you ready? Go. Now, let's play our sounds game. Get your pointer fingers ready. I want you to point to the word that starts with f. Fish, bag, car. Do you hear the f? Fish, bag, car. Very good, it's fish. Excellent job learning your f sounds today. I'll see you next time for the next letter.